Hey, what's up, you guys? And I just want to come on here real quick and just talk about confidence. I want to talk about confidence because I think it's important when you're on this journey of investing and building wealth over time. And I want to encourage you that even though you might just be starting, even though you might not feel like you know what you're doing, that's okay. That's normal.
I understand nothing.
See, to me, confidence is like a compound effect. It just happens over time. The more you fumble through things, the more you're gonna learn new things, the more you're gonna understand, the more you're gonna get educated, the more you're gonna realize like, oh, okay, I picked this up and then I picked this up. And then the next thing you know, that compounds on each other and that confidence build. No different than when you're depositing money into an account and you slowly see that deposits, you see that balance go up and up and up over time. That's the same way your confidence is going to build. So don't get discouraged even when you see a lot of red on your portfolio, or when you only think you have like $50 or $100 to invest, and you're trying to compare yourself with people that have like these huge balances, which could also be very discouraging because you're like, well, at this rate, I'm never gonna get there. But trust me, no matter where you start, no matter how much you have, just starting the process and never giving up and just continue to learn and continue to make deposits and continue to invest, even if it's just a little bit at a time, it's what will get you to those big bounces at some point. I mean, there's so many cliches that I can mention right now, but it does take one brick at a time, one step at a time, one investment at a time, $1 at a time for you to build something amazing. So right now, if you feel like you don't know what you're doing, or you're just starting in your investment journey and you're trying to figure it out, and you think you had some losses and you're just fumbling around, that's okay. It's gonna get better. You're gonna continue to learn. I mean, I've been doing this for about 15 years now, and I still feel like I'm learning something new every day when it comes to investing, the stock market, and personal finances. So don't give up, don't quit, because if you don't quit, you win. And honestly, that's kind of like one of my life's motto, is it just don't quit. If I don't quit, I'm gonna win. It's simple as that, guys. That's it, guys. Short and sweet, to the point. If you're new to this channel, please consider subscribing. It would mean a lot to me. I'm trying to get to 100 subscribers, so your support would be greatly appreciated. And that's all I have. Until next time. See ya.